Alright, I'm here on the Appalachian Trail. That's why I'm doing these videos on this channel. A lot of people want to follow me, because in March, I'll be doing the whole thing. Today, I'm just going for a day hike. I'm here in Maryland, and this is what it looks like when you come down off the side trail. Like that. You can either go over I-70 to the Washington Monument, or you can walk 2.5 miles to Annapolis Rock, and that's what I'll be doing today. You know, I'll be doing this every few days, whatever. I'll be posting my progress for anyone that just wants to follow along. If not, ain't gonna hurt my feelings none. But hopefully you guys tuned in, you like what you see, you guys can see all this stuff without having to do it. I'll make a video when I get back to Annapolis Rock.